Okay, so apparently there's been an amount of like commotion and stuff about how I actually did it. And yeah, sorry about not posting it. I was gone from home, but now I can post how I did it because I'm back home and I have access to the Raspberry Pi and whatnot. So basically in the video, I unfortunately only showed you that, hey look, I hit buttons and it works, yay. But I did not explain how it worked at all. So what's going on is this, the Logitech Harmony unit is connected to the Raspberry Pi via Bluetooth, and it's just acting as a normal Bluetooth keyboard. So, dang it, I'm sniffling again, and people were annoying. Anyways, and basically, as far as the Raspberry Pi is concerned, when I hit this button, it interprets it as an R, and when I hit this button, it interprets that as an L, and that was configured within like the Logitech Harmony app. It just says that, hey, I'm connected to a computer, and this is L and this is R. You know, every button is mapped to some random letter that I randomly decided just for my own memory. And now to show you what actually is going on. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what happens when the system starts up from beginning to end. I have a few startup scripts and they kind of work together. They kind of have to work together. I'm sure there's a way around that if you want to do another type of implementation, but the way my scripts work is essentially there's two command windows that open up, and one command window is sending commands to another command window. And the annoying thing is it actually only works at startup because there's a number associated with those commands that basically say, oh look, it's me, hi. That say, you know, send a command to this window, but that only works on startup because it basically is saying, hey, send commands to Windows 0, blah, blah, blah. Why is it black? I guess I haven't really turned it on in a while, so I guess I forgot how it all goes about. All right, there you go. So right now it's scanning, that's my own words. Basically what it's doing in the command is it's running this thingy and it's basically checking over and over again, yo, where's the PlayStation? And eventually it says, okay, we found the PlayStation and we figured out what code it is. And basically what I mean by what code is, now let me go ahead and hit this button a bunch of times. Eventually you'll see text appear on the bottom. Okay, so :4 is essentially saying universally to all CEC devices, right. And if I hit left, it'll be 3. If I hit play, it'll be some other number, 0, pause, also 0. Oh, that's because, anyways. What else was there? Back is D, apparently. I had to figure all this out on an online forum. It was really annoying to find. But anyways, the part at the beginning that says scanning, and by the way, I'm just gonna put my code on the file. I'm just gonna let you see it. The part that says scanning is basically using the CEC utility, libcec. It's not too hard to get. If you just Google libcec, there's gonna be a Raspberry Pi tutorial. It's not crazy hard. It's actually specifically configured to Raspberry Pi, and that's actually what's neat. But what was I gonna say about the thing? Basically what's going on is, regarding this command, this is a specific command that you can type in the CEC utility, and the way I set it up, you can't see the output. That's just for my own, because it would be way too much going on. All you can see is the input, but these are commands that you could type into the CEC utility right after you download. You can simply type in these commands, text 1444 OD. And all this is doing is when I hit R, and it could be R on the regular keyboard, or this, which is just a Bluetooth keyboard, essentially. When I hit R, it says, okay, send this command to this, and it has it for all the inputs. It's just waiting for me to type a key. I type the key, it sends that command, and it's a command that I decided I wanted it to be. according to the letter that I decided on the Harmony app what I want this to be. So if I hold R, there's actually a glitch that will occur. It shows up. I don't really know a way around that. I don't care that much, but you can see that I actually said in the Logitech Harmony app, okay, this button's R. And R within my program that you'll see when I upload it says, hey, send TX1444. Oh, actually, no, it doesn't say TX1444. It says TX something something 04. And the reason why I say something something, or maybe it's something 4404, is because this number actually sometimes changes based off of the identity of the PS4. So basically, if my whole house restarts or something, like the power grid starts, maybe when the PS4 connects to the AVR, it's gonna change its identity and no longer be 14. That's happened a couple times. It's pretty rare, but it's still is something I bothered to code just so that the system always works, because I'm gone and my parents use this, so I didn't want it to ever break. But that's all. If you look at the code and you can understand it, that's all you need. You'll need to download libcec, libcec, as well as TTY Echo, which is a thing that lets you send commands to other terminals. And that's about it. I'll also show you my startup scripts. I'm sure there's a way around the way that I've done it, because the way I've done it, my Raspberry Pi is essentially useless in terms of everything else that I can do. It can only do this. And maybe there's another way around it where you can develop a GUI or something, but I don't have to do that. And also, yeah, so sorry that this video was kind of late. I was really busy with classes and didn't have access to the Raspberry Pi. I wasn't at home. So here you guys go. I'm gonna upload the code, you'll see it, and there you go.